Now, we want to consider uniform circular motion for an object with a string. Jadi, awak ada contoh satu pendulum kan? Satu pendulum. And then, awak gantungkan dia dengan tali. So, this situation, ada 3 situasi yang kita boleh ambil kira. Situasi yang pertama, apabila you rotate the object secara horizontal. So, for example, it is something like this. Yang ni, you rotate something like this. Mungkin atas meja, mungkin you rotate above your head, rotate ke atas kepala kan. Jadi dia akan rotate secara horizontal. So let's see, you have something, this is your path secara horizontal. Okay, secara path. Kita besar sikit. Alright, this one. So let's assume that your object is on the left first. So you have this object on the left. And then we have a string, which is biasanya kita akan pegang kat tengah-tengah ni kan. Kita akan pegang kat tengah-tengah ni and then kita rotate kan. So this is you punya objects and the green one is the path. So benda pertama yang awak kena buat adalah you need to determine all the forces that exist in the ball, in the object. Okay, dekat objek ni, of course dia lekat dengan tali, dia akan ada string, tension. Dia akan ada tension and then dia akan ada weights. Okay. Yang kedua, awak kena determine where is the direction of your AC. Kalau tengok kat sini, your AC must be toward the center, to the center of the path, which is dekat sini dia ke kanan. Jadi kita akan pilih AC ni sebagai kita punya paksi. Okay, kalau kita lukis balik, you will have something like this lah. This is your T, this is your MG. And your A is something like this. So your your AC is in X component. X axis lah. Put an axis. That means X component. You must have your FC must equal to summation of Fx. Sebab your AC is one of the X component. Mesti dekat Fx. Which is dekat sini you hanya ada T. Okay, then your force is your FC sekarang ni juga bersamaan dengan M. Your A, you kena determine your A adalah positif atau negatif. You can see that your A is positive. Then your FC should be T. So equation untuk horizontal part, awak akan dapat this one lah. T equal to MAC. So let's see. Your object is on the right. Your object is on the right. And then you have this string. What happen now is you punya, let's say, you punya T, tension awak sekarang ni ke kiri, awak punya weight ke bawah. So this one is for the left, and now I want to show for the right. Okay, the right. So your AC now is to the left. AC dekat sini lah. Macam ni kan. Tapi saya lukis ke atas supaya dia tak semak kat situ. So what you have now, you have T ke kiri, MG masih lagi ke bawah. Dan your AC now is ke kiri. Alright. Your AC masih lagi dalam X axis. Ataupun X component. Your AC masih lagi X axis. Your FC should be summation of Fx. Okay, summation of Fx. What happened here? Your summation Fx sekarang ni adalah negative T. Sebab dia adalah ke kiri. So now FC awak is equal to M. So look at your AC. Your AC is negative. Because it is to the left. What happened here? You will get negative T sama dengan negative MAC. Turn out it is equal to T equal to MAC. So for horizontal condition, wherever the string is, you will always get T equal to MAC. So remember, this one is when you are rotating. Contoh you dekat bawah ni, you pegang. Lepas tu you pegang kan, panjang tangan dia. So you pegang tali and you rotate above your head. So tak ada force lain. But if this motion, contoh kalau motion ni berada di atas meja seperti dalam gambar tadi, dia berada di atas meja macam ni kan, lepas tu rotate, you will see that you will also have R. Okay, tapi R ni dia tak akan mempengaruhi awak punya centripetal force. Okay, now we going to look when the situation, your situation when the string is rotate vertically. Okay, it will look like something like this. Okay, you rotate dia macam ni. Jadi rotate secara vertical. So what happen here? You punya path will looks like this. Okay, kalau dia berada di kiri, okay, berada di sini, dia punya situasi sama macam yang vertical tu, you can prove it. So now I want to show you that when it is at the bottom and at the top. So kita tengok yang bottom dulu. So this is your object with the string. You will see that here, first determine dulu dia punya forces yang exist. Of course kita ada tension dan kita akan ada weights. Kedua, determine dia punya AC. So AC awak ke atas. AC awak ke atas lah, daripada sini ke sini kan, ke atas. So saya tulis kat tepi. Right? So at the bottom, you will have something like this. This is your T. Okay, this is your T and this is your mg, and then your AC is upward. Your AC is in Y axis. That means your FC should be equal to summation of Fy, which is kat sini dia adalah T minus mg. Okay, then your FC is equal to m. Your A is positive, tak ada masalah. So FC gantikan, you akan dapat T minus mg equal to MAC. Okay. Right now, we want to look at when the object is at the top. You will have something like this. This is your string. Okay, what happened here is, what happened here is, saya ambil warna hijau ni lah. Okay, you will have tension ke bawah, sebab T awak dah ke bawah dah ni sekarang. And then you will have your mg also ke bawah. Jangan tiba-tiba mg ke atas. Tak ada mg ke bawah. And then your AC is also downward toward the center of the string kan. So now at the top, you will have something like this. T awak ke bawah. Awak punya mg pun ke bawah. Dan AC awak ke bawah. Still, your AC, DAY pula AC. AC is in Y component. Y component, Y axis lah. Y axis. That means you punya FC must be equal to summation of Fy. So here, your summation of Fy should be negative T minus dengan mg. Alright. Then, we have FC equal to, your A now is negative. Okay, negative. So that you will have negative T minus mg equal to negative MAC. So if I change it, I just tukar-tukarkan dia, saya akan dapat T plus mg equal to MAC. Right, what happened here is, you can choose your AC as a positive part. Maksudnya semua yang follow AC ni akan jadi positif lah. So akan dapat T plus mg equal to MAC. But I don't want to show it here because I want to follow the concept. Positif ke atas dan ke kanan is positif, ke kiri dan ke bawah is negatif. At the end baru saya dapat ni. Kalau tak nanti orang tanya kenapa yang ni medium letak sebagai positif. Dia tak nampak yang AC ni pun positif. So I show it from the beginning. Okay, now let's look at the T only. You will have this one, T is equal to MAC plus mg. And this one you will have T equal to MAC minus mg. Okay, by definition, this T mesti tension bila dia berada di bawah lagi besar daripada berat objek tersebut. Manakala tension bila dia berada di atas adalah lagi kecil daripada berat objek tersebut. So if you can try by yourself now, find an object and a string, try to rotate it vertically, you can feel that when the object at the bottom, you will feel like you are tugging, awak ditarik dengan kuat berbanding apabila objek ni berada di atas. Because of the concept of centripetal force dan centripetal acceleration. Okay? Alright, now, there's another one example where your object is something like here. Your object is at here. Contohnya objek awak kat sini, and this is your tension. What happen here is you punya objek akan ada T ke sana dan mg ke sini. So let's say it is given, the theta given is attached with the x component. Okay, apa yang perlu awak buat kat sini? Yang pertama, awak dah tentukan dia punya dia punya force. Sekarang awak kena tengok dia punya AC. So AC mesti ikut T kan, macam ni kan. Jadi your AC should be your axis. Dia akan jadi macam ni. So this is x axis, this is y axis. Jadi bila kita lukis balik, kita akan dapat something like this. This is our T, this is our mg. Okay. Dan theta yang kita tengok, kalau tengok kat sini kan, you will see this is a triangle and this is also a 90 degree kat sini kan. Sini 90 degree. So theta kat sini akan sama dengan theta di sini, which is mg dengan y axis. So you will have something like this. This is your theta. AC awak ke kanan. So untuk situasi ni, your AC is in X component. X axis. Kita akan pilih AC kita sama ada berada di X axis ataupun berada di Y axis. So yang lain tu kita kena rotate accordingly. Now your FC is equal to summation of Fx, which is here should be negative T plus mg sin theta. Because your mg can be plus kan, minus jugalah. So this one is minus. Okay. Your mg can be resolved to y component and x component. So yang kita nak x component saja, negative t minus mg sin theta. Now your fc is equal to m, your ac is negative. Alright. So you will have negative t minus mg sin theta equal to negative MAC. You want to rearrange it to be positive, you can rearrange it to be positive. So now, let's try. You try by yourself to find an equation when the object is here. I will not show it here because I want to continue with another situation for an object in a string called as conical pendulum. Okay, conical pendulum where when the object is hang on the ceiling, dia digantung dekat atap, and then it's rotate like this. You can see, dia digantung kat dinding tu, and then dia rotate dalam bentuk bulatan. Bulatan dia kelihatan seolah horizontal. So you will have a horizontal motion, but it is very different with the horizontal part lah. Okay, situasinya di mana awak gantung satu pendulum dekat dinding and then you rotate dia secara bulatan. Jadi your path, your circular path should look like this. Dia macam tu lah, lebih kurang. Awak akan nampak dia something like this. Okay, dia akan bergerak macam tu. Lebih kurang lah. So something like this. So what happen now? Kita nak cari what is the FC. FC, apa FC yang mewakili this situation. So first of all, determine all the forces exist on the ball, on the object. Of course, dia ada T. Ingat, T mesti toward the center of the string. Bukan ni bukan ke sini. The center of the string. And then we will have weights. Biasanya, theta yang diberikan adalah theta di sini. Which is also theta here. Alright? Okay, now determine your AC. AC is always toward the center of the circle. So AC ni kita jadikan dia sebagai X axis lah. Sebab dia dah melentang macam tu kan. So kita letak dia sebagai X axis. You will have T here. And theta here. And then you will have MG here. Since your AC is in X axis, your FC should be summation of Fx. So summation of Fx kat sini cumalah positive T sin theta. Showing that your FC equal to M. Your A is positive sebab A ke kanan. Your T here is only T sin theta equal to MAC. So remember that we have F, component F yang parallel dengan A should be equal to MA. So component F yang perpendicular dengan A is equal to 0. So yang parallel dengan A adalah summation of F yang kita dah tengok ni. Okay. Yang perpendicular dengan A should mestilah summation of Fy. Fy equal to 0. Sometimes summation of Fy is summation of Fy ni akan digunakan dalam awak punya pengiraan. Contoh dia suruh cari A kan, tapi dia tak bagi T. So you can get your T from Fy, which is something like this lah. Okay.